Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spring cleaning DESTASH. I'm going to be selling off some of my stamps and dies that haven't been getting as much love lately, and hopefully earning a little extra cash for my writers conference that's coming up in about 2 weeks. So just a couple of rules to go over, and I've just learned these from doing this in the past before. First of all, it's going to be to US residents only. For internationals, it's just not worth it. Every time I've opened it up, the international people have ended up backing out because the shipping rates are just too high. So, US only. Also, please comment below on this video only. I can't be searching around for comments to see, you know, who was first, unfortunately. So just leave the comments in the in the comment section below this video. Please include your email for invoicing. I can't send you an invoice if I don't have your email address. So please be sure to include that in your comment, and list everything that you would be interested in, and I will send you an invoice for whatever is left, okay? I need you guys to pay within 24 hours just to be prompt, because it's kind of first come, first serve, and I want to be fair to everybody, so I don't want people waiting on product when somebody didn't pay for a few days. So please pay within 24 hours. And also check the description box for updates. I will have a complete list of everything that is still up for grabs in that list. I cannot, unfortunately, respond to comments where people say what's still available. I just don't have time to type that all back out again. So I will, include everything in the description box and delete items as they're sold. So please check there if you're unsure about what might still be available, okay? As far as the prices go, if it is just a regular stamp set without any dies, it will be $12, and that does include the shipping. For stamps with kind of like a half sheet of dies, something like around this size, it'll be $20. For stamps with like a larger full sheet of dies, it'll be $25. Also, I've got a few large stamp sets from W+9 that include dies. Those will also be $25, okay? Let's see, the half size sets, those will be $6. If they have dies, it'll be $12. And then I also have some background stamps. I'm going to include those with the stamps only, so those will be $12, okay? So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in. Alright, so I'm going to go by price and then by manufacturer. So these are all the stamps that have no dies. So these will all be $12 shipped, okay? So we're starting off with Lawn Fawn. I have Lawn Fawn wood grain backdrops. It's great wood grain backdrop, and then a bunch of little sentiments and heart accessories. $12 shipped. I have the Lawn Fawn Argyle backdrops, so you can create that kind of cool, cozy sweater pattern. $12 shipped. The Lawn Fawn birthday tags, $12 shipped. Lawn Fawn hats off to you, with all the great different kind of hats to accessorize your critters, $12 shipped. Lawn Fawn on the mend, great feel better set, $12 shipped. And Lawn Fawn Parumpa Pum Pum. This was a really cute Christmas set, but it doesn't have to be. The train and the bear could be all year round. I've seen people use this in such creative ways. So $12 shipped. Next up, I have Mama Elephant. And again, these have no dies. I have the Love from Above. Really sweet set for Valentine's Day. $12 shipped. I have the Mama Elephant Water Blooms, $12 shipped. And the Mama Elephant No Peeking, love these little guys here, $12 shipped. Then I have a couple sets from Avery, Elle. I have the Brushed, $12 shipped. This is great for masculine cards. Avery, Elle Oh Happy Day, really beautiful font, $12 shipped. Avery, Elle Written in the Stars, really great sentiments on this one, $12 shipped. And Avery, Elle Let It Snow, love these trees here, $12 shipped. Alright, so then we've got a couple from Paper Smooches. I've got Space Cadet, $12 shipped. And Pause for a Cause with these really sweet little dogs and some great sentiments. $12 shipped. I've got Penny Black Woodland Friends. Really sweet little set here. $12 shipped. The Alleyway Phraseology. This one is a word search. There's all kinds of words that you can circle or have your recipient circle, you know, kind of like a fun interactive card. $12 shipped. I have Simon Says stamp, Absolutely Delightful, $12 shipped. And I have Market Street stamps, Hippie Chick. That's an idea of what those ones look like. Really cool sentiments. Those are kind of peach rubber stamps, or sorry, clear stamps. $12 shipped. Then I have a couple background stamps. I have the Hero Arts Friend Cling Stamp, $12 shipped. The Hero Arts, let's see, does it have a name on it? Tiny Star Background, $12 shipped. Hero Arts Magical Background, $12 shipped. And the Hero Arts Studio Calico Starburst Background, $12 shipped. Okay. Next we have stamps that include dies. So the first up is Lawn Fawn. I have Lawn Fawn Summertime Charm. And there's the dies for that. That's $20 shipped. Lawn Fawn Love You a Latte, $20 shipped. Lawn Fawn Blue Skies, love those hot air balloons, $20 shipped. Lawn Fawn Eggstra Special Easter, $20 shipped. And Lawn Fawn Chirpy Chirp Chirp, $20 shipped. Now all the ones that include dies I will send in that packaging so that everything is all contained nicely. Next up is Avery Elle Winter Wreath, $20 shipped. Avery Elle Petals and Stems, $20 shipped. And the Mama Elephant Bloomsies, $20 shipped. Okay. Alright, so the next group is stamps that have a lot of dies to them, so those were quite pricey. So these are going to be $25 shipped. I have Lawn Fawn Let's Play, Lawn Fawn Sweet Christmas, okay, Lawn Fawn Love You S'more, and the Mama Elephant Lunar Animals. Lots of dies in that one. Then I have a couple large W+9 sets that also include dies. So these are going to be $25 shipped as well. I have the W+9 Heartfelt Holiday, $25 shipped. W+9 Iconic Christmas. This was one of my favorites for a long time. $25 shipped. Lawn Fawn Fresh Picked, $25 shipped. And the Lawn Fawn, or am I saying Lawn Fawn? Sorry, W+9 Spring Blooms. And there's the dies. I never even opened the dies, although I did use the stamp set once. $25 shipped. So last up we have some little mini sets here. So these are going to be $6 shipped, the ones that don't include dies. I have Lily of the Valley Unmounted Rubber Stamp. I don't know the name of this one anymore, I'm sorry, but it has that really sweet little bear with some Christmas decorations. So that'll be $6 shipped. I have, let's see, the Stamping Bella Posie Pixie. You can see I paid $11.99 for that one, but that'll be $6 shipped. And there's this stamp right there. Super cute. Okay, we have Whiff of Joy, Delivering My Heart to You. That is an unmounted red rubber stamp, $6 shipped. And we have the Paper Smooches Lucky Dog, and that'll be $6 shipped. Then I have a couple of Lawn Fawn half sets, so these will all be sold separately, but they will include the dies. So these will be $12 shipped. I have the Lawn Fawn Float My Boat and Lawn Fawn Happy Trails. There's the dies again. And those are each $12 shipped. And then I have Lawn Fawn Monster Mash and Lawn Fawn Beep Boop Birthday. And there's the dies for those. And those are also $12 shipped. And that is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you're interested in anything, please leave a comment down below with a list of what you'd like and your email address for the PayPal invoice. So happy shopping. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.